Today I'm going to show you how I pickled my homegrown chili peppers and cucamelons. Enjoy! This is the second time I've grown cucamelons in the UK, and this year I had a bumper crop. Cucamelons, also known as Mexican cucumbers, they look like watermelons and are the size of a grape, and they grow in a vine in your garden. I also love chilies, and I've got 5 varieties growing in my garden, so I'm going to add those to my pickles too. Once I've finished picking the crop, I've washed everything down in cold water and started preparing the pickling process. For the pickling brine, I used 500 milliliters of water, 250 milliliters of white vinegar, 250 milliliters of cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of salt, and this will be enough for 1 large jar of pickle. Now, depending on how much you want to make, you keep the ratio of half, quarter, quarter. Bring the liquid to a boil so that the sugar and salt melts. Then remove it from the heat. Roughly chop 4 cloves of garlic. Then start the bottling process. Starting at the base, I've added some dill and then some of the larger chili peppers and a couple of bay leaves. Once you've added about half of the garlic, keep layering in the cucamelons and the chilies. Try and mix it around a bit so it looks pretty in the bottle. And then add the rest of the garlic. Then you'd like to take a pause to add in some cumin seeds, mustard seeds, peppercorns, round about a teaspoon of each, and 3 cloves. If you like what you've seen so far, hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel because I'll be adding a lot more easy recipes. Keep layering until you reach the top of the jar and then start adding in the brine, which has already cooled down. Keep pouring all the way to the top. Then you want to close the lid and let it marinate in the fridge for around a week. You know what, this was so simple to make. I left it in the fridge for 7 days and now I've served it on a lovely platter. I think it looks good, it tastes good. You can serve it with some cured meats, some cheese, some crackers. It's really nice thing to enjoy.